Today we are going to start our next operators. We are going to create one. Okay, so we completed the arithmetical operators, right? So today we are going to start next operator, that is what? Relational or comparison operators. Okay, relational operators. What are the relational operators? So here these are this relational operator. Okay, so what is the use of relational operator? To check the relation between, or to establish the relation to between the two operand. Okay, so here is the day 7. Let me put it in the day 7. Okay, okay, relational comparison operators. So relational, yeah, or comparator operators. So what are the relational operators we have? That is greater than is equal to, okay, less than or less than is equal to, not is equal to, and is equal to is equal to. Okay, these are what comparator operators. So if you want to find a comparison, that means which number is greater than among the two numbers. Okay, suppose if you want to find a greater number among the two numbers, if you want to find a lower number, okay, among the two numbers, smallest number, greater number, if the two numbers are equal, okay, whether the two numbers are equal or not equal, suppose if you want to find, so we can use the comparator operators. Okay, so let us check here the program for this comparator operator. I am going to create here another package. Okay, so creating here the new package, that is what, a day 6 package. Okay, day 6 package. uh, Sorry, let me create, right click on new package. Okay, not folder, create a package here, uh, day 7. Okay, and now I am going to create the program, that is class file. Okay, just click on the class file, and here is the relational operator demo. Okay, relational operator demo, just click on this publish static point and finish it. Okay, so this is what they here is what I am going to rename it first. So arithmetical operators example, just do refractor here. Where is the refractor? Is there an option refractor? Yes. So let's click on the rename and you can write here arithmetic demo. Okay, so finish it, finish it, correct. So yeah, that is okay. So that I can give one here, the name is what, arithmetic demo. So I am giving here name what, relational demo. Okay, relational demo, relational operator demo. Okay, second is what, relational operator. Okay, so what are the relational operator? Let me copy from here. Greater than is equal to, less than is equal to, not is equal to, and is equal to. Okay, these are what, relational operators. Sorry. Okay, and these are the relational operator. Okay, these are the relational operator. Now to start, you can declare the two numbers and you can put this operator between the two operand, and you can print, okay, whether it is true, false. Okay, which number is greater or smallest among the two numbers. Okay, so it will gives the relation between the two operand. Okay, so that is give output. Okay, relational operator that gives the output in the form of what, true and false. Okay, because it returns boolean value. It's written the boolean. So what are the boolean data type? That is what? True and false. Okay, suppose, so you can declare, suppose we have the two numbers, integer a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. So which number is greater? A is greater than b or b is greater than a? So obviously b is a greater than a. Okay, that means a is a less than b, correct? So then I want to use this expression here. So system dot out, okay, system dot out dot println. Okay, so now to check here the which one is greater, right? So just I am going to write here a greater than b, suppose, whether it is true or false. A greater than b, true or false? Yes. So it will give its return what? Boolean value. That is what, true or false. So can you tell me? A is what? 10. So 10 greater than 20. Whether this statement is true or false. Yes. It's a true or false. A greater than b. This is statement. Is this true? Yes. Slim. What will get in the output? If A is greater than B. A greater than B. A is 10, B is 20. So whether it is true or false? False. Okay, so this will what? False. So the boolean value will get false. So let me execute here and you can check here. Okay, so here it's what getting the false. This false value. That is boolean value. Okay. So this is used to check which number is greater or less. Okay, then we can use some conditions, if else conditions. Okay, so once we know the if else condition, then we can start the conditional statement. Means we can take the value in the first variable, we can take the value in the second variable, and then we are going to compare that values, compare these two numbers, which one is greater or smaller. Okay, then I am taking as what? A greater than b. Okay, a greater than b. So whether it is true or false? Yes. It's a true. Okay, because grade b is greater than a, that means a is a smaller than b. Okay, so this is what true. The next operator we can use. Okay, next one, greater than is equal to, right? So now if we are having, okay, so greater than is equal to greater than b. Okay, so now here integer int, we know a is equal to was 10 and now b is equal to I am taking as a 10. Okay, so here the b, which value will take, this one or this one? Okay, sorry, here no need to write here data type. Okay, so now in this statement a greater than b, a will take which value? 10. Then b will take which value? Either 10 or 20. This b will take which value? Yes, 10 or 20. So here a greater than b, a is a 10. Okay, that is okay, and b having the two values, b is a 10 and as well also 20. So here in this statement b will take which value, this one or this one? Yeah, this one. Okay, 10. Why? Because this is the current value. Okay, but here is not take the 10. Here b value take the 20. Okay, we have declared and initialize. We have initialized this b is equal to 20 initially, and later the value of b is get changed. That is what a variable varies the values. Okay, and later the value of the b is get changed. Okay, so here the latest value of b in this statement we will check. Now a is also the 10 and b is also the 10. Then a greater than b, true or false? Both are same. So a greater than b, true or false? Yes,
False.
false. Okay, because a is not greater than b, right? So we'll get here the false. You can check right now. Yes, in the third one, that is what false. Okay, so you can use if you want to or check output properly. If you want to check, okay, so you can write like this way. Okay, so to write in this statement. Okay, and here is can give a whatever you are going to write in the double quote, that is going to be printed in the outputs console window. Okay, it is going to print on the output window. A greater than b, this one, right? Okay, so now I am keeping this one as a greater than is equal to b. This is next operator, this one. So now tell me whether it is true or false. Now a is what? 10. B is what? 10. So now this statement is true or false? Yes. Now I am writing the statement for this operator, greater than is equal to. Now tell me, a is a 10, b is a 10. So the operator is what? Greater than is equal to. So that means this operator is saying that a is greater than or equal to b or not. Okay, a is a greater than or equal to. So now this statement is satisfying or not? Okay, whether this expression is satisfying or not. True or false? Yes. What will be the output here? True or false?
False.
False. Why false? What is the value of A?
10.
What is the value of B?
10.
10. So 10 is greater than is equal to or is equal to B. Greater than is whether it is greater than? No. Or is equal to? Yes, correct. So this is what? True. How it is read? Greater than is equal to. Greater than, greater or equal. Okay, greater or equal. Are you getting my point? This is greater
Yes.
or equal. So this statement is true or false now?
Yes.
True. Okay, let us execute this one. See, fourth one is true. Okay, fourth one is true. So here give the some space. Okay, now next one. Suppose putting the value here, a less than is equal to b. True or false now? Yes, less than is equal to. True or false? Less than or equal to
True.
true. First check whether it is less than, then second check or is equal to. Okay, that is true because both are same. Okay, then suppose we have b is equal to suppose now a is equal to 30. Okay, here the value of a is get changed, and now check here. Now tell me whether the statement is true or false. A greater than is equal to b, true or false? True or false? What is the value of a?
Okay.
What is the value of b?
10.
10, because it will take this value, not this one. Okay, so 30 greater than or is equal to 10, true or false? True or false?
False.
Why false? 30 is greater than b or equal to b. Now yes, so this condition is satisfied or not? Yes, I am checking here whether the a is greater or equal to. First we'll check whether it is greater. A is greater than b. Yes, then true. If we are checking here both the numbers are equal, then also it is condition is satisfied. Okay, so that means true. Greater or equal to, both operator are checking greater or equal to, true. Okay, now same I am going to change here, the less than is equal to, whether it is true or false. Now a is what? 30, b is what? 10. Okay, 30 less than is equal to b, true or false? Yes, 30 less than is equal to b, true or false? Less than or equal to, 30 less than 30 less than is equal to 10. Is it okay? Is it true? Ha, this is false, right? Check here, the last one, that is what? False. Okay, so this is what? Less than is equal to, greater than is equal to. Now we are going to check not is equal to. Is equal to and not is equal to. Okay, now what is the current value of a and b? Okay, so here not is equal to, how you can write? Exclamatory mark and is equal, not is equal to. Okay, so what is meant by not is equal to? A is what? 30. Not is equal to, not is equal to b. What is the value of b now? 10. So true or false? 30 is not is equal to 10. True or false?
True.
True. Okay, because both value are not same. That is what? It's not is equal to is true. So not is equal to, how to write in the mathematics sign? This one. Okay, not is equal to, right? Slim, do you know this sign? Not is equal to. Do you know this sign? This one, right? A not is equal to b, mathematical sign. In programming, we use this one, exclamatory mark and is equal to. That means it's a not is equal to. How to write? Exclamatory mark, sorry, exclamatory mark and is equal to. That is what? Exclamatory mark and is equal to. That is what? Not is equal to sign. Okay. So this is what? True. So these operators are very important while writing our real-time programs. Okay, so you can check here, this is what true, right? And next one, can check, suppose we have both the value are true, so b is also is equal to 30, and now we can check both the values are same. Okay, here a is also 30 and b is also 30. Now this condition is true or false? A is not is equal to b, true or false? A is not is equal to b, true or false? Yes. Now both the value are same.
False.
Okay, this is false because all the values are same. That's why it's a false. Okay. Yes. Now we done this one. Now comparator operator. Okay, is equal to means sign is equal to operator means we are assigning the value of to the uh, operand. Okay, we are assigning the value to the variable, and is equal to for comparator operator. We are just comparing. Okay, so now let us, I'm going to check here the comparison between the two operand, two variables. Okay, now I'm going to check the comparator. Okay, so now check here, what is that? A is equal to b. A is equal to b means the value of a is 10, and if you return here the is equal to 10, that means what? It's a comparing this one, it's a comparing the value. Okay, what is the value of a? 30, and value are comparing with b, sorry, 10. Okay, so this is what comparing the operating means, relational operation. It will give the relations, what is what? True or false. So now a is equal to b, what is the value of a? A value is 30. What is the value of b? B value is also 30. So a is equal to b. So this is what? True. Okay, both the values are true. Yes. So this is what? True. So is equal to operator is what? Comparing the two values. Okay, is equal to operator means just assigning the value. Now suppose value of b is get 20. Okay. Now check. Okay, you can change this position also, no problem. Okay. Okay, so we can check here, b is equal to a. Okay, so can check here, so because both those value are not same, that's what we are getting the false. So this is what relational operator. Okay, okay, this is what relational operator. Okay, so you can try yourself. Okay, so just I'm going to stop here. So tomorrow I'm going to continue, right? So first of all, you have to perform these assignments which I have provided you. That's why I'm not taking the much more time here, right? So first of all, whatever I have provided some example, whatever I have explained the examples, okay, that go for it and perform to the practice, as well as then I have given you the some assignments. Okay, please go through the assignment, please solve it, execute it, and just share me the screenshots of that programs. Okay, and then I am going to continue on tomorrow. So if you have any doubts or any query, so please ask me right now. But if I continue this one, so your task will be pending. Okay, you know. So here almost 7 days I have completed some programs, right? Some programs I have completed in these days. So try to complete all these backlog programs first. Okay, try to practice all this previous program, as well as try to complete your assignment, because if I am giving fast, then you will not understand